We need to have corporations that are rewarded by consumers for doing what is right. We need to have consumers that are doing what is right, namely procuring products which is based on renewable energy. So we need the corporations and consumers to create an alliance, and that is actually what the two reports that we have published in London and New York the 2 recent days is all about. What the consumers have stated loud and clear is that the day where 2 products are equally expensive or cheap, then they're going to choose a product which is based on renewable energy. And that future, where renewable energy, especially wind energy, is as cheap or even cheaper than many fossil fuels, is nearby. And when that day occurs, that is going to be the day where we're going to see a big change in buying habits from consumers. We need, of course, fast change. Therefore, we need to ensure 2 things. That we increase the transparency that the consumers have into what energy is used by the brands that they procure, in the products that they buy, and at the same time that we lower the cost of wind energy fast and every day for the coming years, because when these 2 things actually meet in a delta, that is when big change is happening extremely fast. Full transparency and low cost of energy on wind. Whether corporations is going to buy into it or not is of course something that I don't know for sure, but I know that the ones that are actually going to sit down and investigate the Corporate Renewable Energy Index report will see that the corporations that have disclosed, the 179 out of the 1,000 corporations that have disclosed, thus come on the index, have outperformed the average share price development with 30% over the last 5 years. So I think seeing that figure, I think there is a lot of corporations that are going to think twice about not looking into this agenda.